21 Westgate Street, which is one of the final projects to be completed out of the High Street Heritage Action Zone funding that's been in Westgate Street. This building has been on the Gloucester Buildings at Risk list since about 2015-16 and was in a really poor state of repair. So the building dates from about 1500, and it's quite extraordinary how the timber frame has warped and moved through time and has been excellently and expertly repaired by our conservation contractors. A timber frame building is almost infinitely repairable, and we thought at the beginning of the project that this building might actually have to be condemned because it was in such a twisted shape and very structurally insecure. But we've actually managed to work together with the team, so that's the structural engineer and the architect and the contractor and the owner, to preserve this building and make sure that its future is good for another 100 years.